Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is January 21st and we're looking at the chart of the Dow here, 60-minute time frame. Now we can start seeing that the indices starting to pull back a little bit more today. And as we can see, we're calling that peak earlier on the January 13 as a wave 1. So now we're looking for a bigger pullback in the form of a zigzag. So we got this 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking for a 5 ways down to finish a leg. Now of course 5 could have completed here, for example, but for now we are extending it into another 5 way subdivision. Okay, and then once we are finished with the 5 waves, we should be getting to this rally to correct this, and due to the 5 swing down from here, we could potentially see another leg down again before finishing with 2. Alright, now if I zoom out on the 4 hour, okay, so as we can see, I'm gonna copy this 3. Okay, let's copy 2. This is the 2 here. Okay, this is the 2, this is the 3, 4, 5. Hold on. This is the 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, and then 5. Alright, and that ends with 1 right here. Okay, now this is 3, 4, 5, 2, so that means this is the 1 here. Okay, so we got a 5 swing up from this low, and now we are looking for a wave to pullback. So basically what we're doing here is we are correcting, or we are ending this cycle from November 21st. Right, this is the low here. November 21st is the beginning of the 5 swing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a diagonal. So it is a diagonal, so we don't need to have a lot of people will say, well, there's an overlapping 1 and 4. That's fine, diagonal, right? So now we're looking for wave to pullback, and wave to pullback is in the form of a zigzag. We should be ending A pretty soon. Right, we should be ending A pretty soon, and at the least we should be getting another leg down again to complete this, potentially a 3 down, right? So another leg down is expected now. Once we finish the correction in the B leg, we are looking for a C leg down. Further downside is likely before we finish a bigger degree correction. Then after that we might have a potential to extend again from here, as long as this area here does not go to the 161.8, right? I mean, if it goes to 1.618, then this can become 1, 2, and then it become 3. But at the least we are looking for another leg down now, and then let's see what sort of target is gonna go. Is it gonna go to 100%, within 100% and 161.8, or it's going to extend a lot lower, like 1.618, in which case then it can become a bigger 5 ways down. Alright, so that's basically what we're looking at right now, but for now, below 49,899, we like it lower to do the bigger degree correction. Okay, so that's the quick update from the Dow. As always, if you want to see other instrument, right, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.